Okay, so let's have this 1.24. Pero ang sosolve lang natin dito is the normal, no? Kasi wala pa tayong shearing eh. Okay, so normal lang muna. So, the figure shows a glued joint known as the finger joint. Okay. So, in a 6-inch by 3/4 inches piece of lumber. So, ibig sabihin yung perpendicular na to. Oops. Okay. Naka-perpendicular yung ganyan. Okay. Yun ano. Okay. So, ito daw is around 3/4. Okay. So, you have there 3/4 inch. Okay. So, kunin natin yung kanyang normal stress dun sa wood, no? Okay. Actually, the normal stress, para siyang pagkakabit-kabitin natin eh. Okay. So, dapat makuha natin yung isang plane lang. Okay, so pwedeng ganun yung analysis natin. Ano? So, meron kasing iba't ibang pwedeng analysis eh. Okay? So, tanggalin natin. Okay, I'll try no kung kaya kong tanggalin. I-delete ko yung part dito. Okay, so basta mag-aano dapat doon is 600. Okay, I'll try to delete this. Op. Yan. Para makita natin. Yan. Okay. Then, gagawan ko ng 3D. Okay, I hope magawan ko siya at nang maintindihan nyo. Ayun, ganun lang naman. Yeah. Okay, ayan. I hope nakikita nyo siya, no? Okay. Now, ilang faces meron tayo? Okay, ilang surfaces. So, let's have it this one. Ay, yan na natin. So, this is one surface. Okay. Second surface. And then you have there the third surface. Okay, kaya lang yung sa ilalim niyan, meron pa rin ano. So, ibig sabihin, 6. Okay? Yung 6 na yon, okay, pagtutulong-tulungan nila yung 800, no? So, i-divide ko. So, this one, yung isang force mo dito, that is around 800 all over 6. Kasi 6 eh. Yung sa ilalim niya, ganun din eh. Okay, sa ilalim niya, same din. This surface, same din. Sa ilalim niya, same din. This surface, same. And sa ilalim niya is same. So, lahat yon tig 800 all over 6. 800 over 6. 800 over 6. 800 over 6. And then 800 all over 6. Okay? So, since very symmetrical naman sila, isang surface na lang yung kunin ko. Okay? Kunin ko na lang tong pinakataas. Okay? I'll try to cut it. Okay? Kasi, napansin ko, same naman silang lahat. Kunin ko na lang yung upper part na yon. Okay? So, ito no, kunin ko siya. So, I will be having here. Tapos, i-enlarge ko lang. Yan. Para makita natin ng ayos. I-enlarge ko lang. That section. Yan. Okay? So, yan. Ito yon yung ating area. Okay? So, yan yung aking area. Now, yung area natin, okay, ang may alam lang ako is this distance. Ano kaya distance na to? Okay? So, ilan ba ulit yan? So, maghahati yung, kasi mula dito hanggang doon, alam natin that is 6 inches. Paghahatian nyo ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Tama ba? Kung hahatiin ko yan, something like this one. So, meron akong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, ito pala is magiging 6 inches divided by 6, or that's around 1 inch. Okay? Next. Yung isang buong triangle na to is 30 degrees. Now, kung kukunin ko yung isa lang, hahatiin, mababisect siya, ilan to? So, that's around 15 degrees. So, ito ngayon yung aking 15 degrees. Okay? So, with this, okay, kaya ko na ngayong malaman, okay, delete ko muna pala to. Hindi ko pa to kailangan. Okay. Okay, kaya ko palang malaman to. Okay. I need to find that length. Okay, so I will call that as my length. So, pwede kong gawin from the sine of angle, sine of 15. So, that's around 1 all over the L. Okay? Or my L is equals to 1 all over sine of 15. Okay? So, the area, okay, kung ipo-project natin to, I will have this projection. You know? So, that's L. And then this one is 3/4. Okay? So, with this, I can now say that my area is L multiplied it by 3/4. Okay? So, my area is 1 all over sine of 15 multiplied it by 3/4. Okay? We have now force. But take note, yung force natin, okay, drawing ko ulit yung aking triangle. Okay? And then you have here this one. Yan. So, meron lang ako ditong force, which is, again, 800 all over 6. But I need to decompose it into parallel and then dun sa aking normal. Okay? So, to have that, so, pwede akong gumawa ng, okay, isang axis, somewhere parallel. And then here, I could have it this as my normal. Okay? Yun. So, yung aking isang force, I can have it this one. And this is my normal force. And then this one, this is my parallel force. Again, if meron na ako dito, okay, and alam natin that this one is around 15 degrees. Oops, ang laki. Kasi ito, 15 to. Tama ba? This is 15. This is also 15 degrees. So, yung matitira mo dito, you have there 75 degrees. Okay? So, yun palang aking normal force. It's just equal to 800 all over 6 cosine of 75 degrees. Okay? So, yung aking normal, so that is equals to the normal force all over the area. So, we can have it as 800 all over 6 cosine of 75 degrees all over the area 1 all over sine of 15 and then multiplied it by 3/4. So you have now this one. So that is 800 all over 6 cosine of 75 all over 1 of sine of 15 multiplied it by 3/4. Okay? Oops. 3/4. And that's 11.91 mega. Ay, sorry. This is in PSI. Pounds pala siya. So, that is in PSI. Okay? So, you have this solution. Second solution na pwede mo is parang hanggang makarating kasi yan, ganun pag didikit-dikitin mo lang siya Okay? So, parang kukuha ka ng isang equivalent na section, Kumbaga, let's say, itong part na to, itong mga to, oops, ibahin ko yung kulay. Itong mga to, pag dudugtong-dugtungin mo yan, kumbaga ito, idudugtong mo doon, tapos ito, idudugtong mo sa kabila. Tapos, pati ito, kasi ano yan ganun din naman, naka 15 degrees niyan, idudugtong mo rin doon. Kumbaga, okay? So, ang mangyayari, another solution, itong part na to, dugtong doon. Okay? Tapos, itong part na to, idudugtong mo lang din doon. Kasi lahat naman sila is naka 15 degree. Okay? So, 15 degree, and then this one is 15 degree din. And then next, hanggang doon, makakarating. Hanggang makarating ka dun sa pinakataas. Dire-diretso yun. Okay? Na ito is meron kang 15 degrees. Okay? But instead na 800 all over 6, ang gagamitin mo na dito is already the 800. Okay? Tapos, ito na yung pinaka ito na yung pinaka surface mo. And then, meron ka dun na 3/4. Okay? So, ito lang kailangan mong malaman. Anyway, alam naman natin na tong angle na to. And this one is around 6 inches. Okay? So, kung kunin ko yung L na to, so that is, I could have it as sine. Okay, sine of 15 is equals to 6 all over L. So, ang L ko is equals to 6 all over sine of 15. So, ang area ko, so that's equals to 6 all over sine of 15 multiplied it by the area. 3/4. Sorry. 3/4. Okay? And then, para makuha ko si force, ganun din. So, kung paano natin ginawa kanina, but instead na 800 all over 6 ang gagawin natin, that is just equal to 800, no? So, ito yon. So, that's ang n natin is 800 cosine of 75. So, the stress would become equal to 800 cosine of 75 all over the area 6 all over sine of 15 multiplied it by 3/4. Okay, so let's try. 800 cosine of 75 all over 6 all over sine of 15 multiplied it by 3/4. And it should also be equal to 11.91 PSI. Okay? So, ganun Pero, ito yung mas tamang distribution, yung unang solution. So, ganun lang siya. Kumbaga, yung sa isa, yung kabila is, analytical thinking lang. Parang, di naman siya shortcut. Pero, ikaw kung saan ka mas mapapadali. Basta, same lang yung magiging sagot na whether it is in normal or is it in normal and shear. Okay, so that's it for this problem. And that's all for this chapter, which is the axial force. Okay, so pupunta na tayo next topic for the shear forces.